In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix a well-balanced side pocket. Now, look at the material. I've already weaved it. Now, this place, I use gum stay to gum it up. Now, the width of it is 2 inches and the length of the pocket, like the opening is 7 inches for an adult, but for a child you can use like 5 inches. Now this white fabric is, I'll be using it for the pocket 13 by 14, that is 13 length, 14 width. So that's for the pocketing. Now I've already showed you guys. Now first thing we are going to do now, we are going to stitch this material on top of this white pocketing. Note that if this is your first time to this channel, you have not subscribed, you will see a subscribe button under this video. Click on it and also hit the notification bell, so when we post another wonderful video you will get notified. Okay, now back to the explanation. Now after you must have stitched this round, now this place you are going to take that pocketing, that is that white fabric. I'm going to place it like this. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Make sure you stitch it like quarter inch. Hope you are seeing how I'm stitching it up. Now hope you see how neat it is. Now this place we are also going to stitch it up. Hope you see what I just did. Now this place, remember that we fold 2 inches inside, so we are also going to bring out 2 inches. But before that, we are going to turn the pocket, like stitch it up. You make a curve. Then you trim out the excess. After that, you turn it up. Make sure you bring out the edges. Then you stitch it up, stitch it, top stitch it very well. We are almost done. Our pocket is almost ready. Now that's 2 inches I told you that we fold inside. You're going to bring it out. Now make sure you stitch this place so that the pocket will be firm and strong and last longer. Now this place you're also going to stitch it up. So that's it. If you want to watch the full tutorial video of this short, you can check the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.